Oh, it's a little preview for you. Doing a beach scene, and there we go. Hello again. So I'm going to mix up some sand. This is Pebeo modelling paste, which I'm going to put in the sand, and some Pebeo gold. I'm going to mix all this up together. So how are you all? I hope you're well and enjoying the weather. A bit too hot for me. So this is a board canvas, and I'm just spreading the sand over. I think I did just over half of the canvas. I really enjoy doing this. Actually, it's quite therapeutic, just spreading everything around. I'm a bit off camera, I do apologise. Just trying to flatten down the top of the sand, so it's not as deep, if you know what I mean. I think I've slapped it on a bit too thick. This is some gloss gel, and what's the colour of that paint? It'll be in the description below. So I'm just mixing up some gloss gel with paint, and what I should have done is painted where it's white on the canvas turquoise first, and then done this gloss gel. It's all learning, hey. Next time I know. It's adding in a bit more. This gel is supposed to dry clear, but it takes about 72 hours altogether. But after like an hour, 2 hours, it's like touch dry, so I could carry on. But it's not completely dry by the time I take the photos, so I could probably put another picture up in the community for now. This was really lovely to work with. It's nice and like smooth. It's lovely. I would have had this finished much earlier, but the grandkids entered the building, and Yep. I wasn't getting it done. Yeah, that colour I've used there, it's an Amsterdam paint, and I should have used that on the canvas first, I think, and then did the gel. I could have made it more translucent then, couldn't I? So next time I do one, I will make sure I do it that way. Not too worried that if it's not smooth. Quite happy with however it goes on. This is the gel on its own. So I'm trying to create, you know, like the water. You know what I mean, don't you? You know, like the edge of the waves. I know it looks white, but it does dry clear. So I'm adding some of that metallic paint again. Is it deep green flash or something? Blue green flash? Something like that. Like I said, it'll be in the description below. I'm just adding in some bits of colour just to try and bring the illusion that it's the sea. I quite enjoy just using the palette knife. It was nice. It was good. What I ended up with is not what I envisioned in my mind, so I'll have to do one when in a few weeks maybe of what I wanted to do really. Sometimes you have a plan and sometimes you just wander away from the plan, don't we? So yeah, this happened. Not bad with my left hand, eh? But this is the Amsterdam paint. I think it is actually called Turquoise, I think. So this is matte Mod Podge. I'm just gonna seal the sand because I don't want it crumbling off. I'll just cover it all. There we are. Just dry clear. So I've turned the picture upside down and I'm going to draw some shapes with a white acrylic paint pen. I've not done like this before, so I just wanted to see how it would go. Just trying to show the light hitting the water. I'm just being random with the shapes, just because the sea never looks the same, does it? It always looks different. So with my grandkids being here, I woke up before them this morning, so I got tried to get this done as quickly as I could. So this is golden white splash paint. I'm just dabbing it over the white shapes. And it is like a metallic paint, so it kind of catches the light. Amsterdam titanium white, and I'm going around the edge of the water just to to show the like the bubbly effect kind of thing at the edge of the water line. You know what I mean, don't you? I don't know how to say it, but I hope you know what I mean. Talking gibberish, aren't I? What I really wanted to do is do this, let it all dry, and then do another layer of the gel gloss, but I didn't really have the time, unfortunately. This is my middle granddaughter putting the stones and shells where she wants them to go. I thought it'd be nice for her to be involved a little bit. So shout out to my middle granddaughter. She said we don't forget to shout out. Bless her, she's only 6. Just swapping and changing things around. And here we are, here's the results of some photos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and look after yourselves. I hope to see you all again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.